I found the easiest way to convert your images to outline or to line art drawings. The best thing about this method is that it works great on AI images as well as any realistic image you have. Simply, you can convert any image you have to a line art drawing and print and create something out of it. And I'm going to show you how you can use this tool for free. These are some examples that I have converted to line art drawings using the same website. So let's jump into it. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button to get notifications about any future videos regarding print-on-demand design tools. For today's video, I'm using a website called Portrait Art. If you go to Portrait Art, you can see that you're able to convert any image to lots of AI styles that they have on their website. There are digital art, illustration, line art, and so many others. However, for the sake of this video, we are going only to concentrate on converting our images to an outline or to line art drawings. So simply sign up with your Google account and choose any image you have and press on the drop another photo here. Upload the photo you have to the website, and I'm going to start with this dragon photo. Once you upload it, you'll see many options that you can choose to convert your image to. So there is the oil painting, the watercolor, illustrations, line art, pencil sketch, and so on and so forth. However, we are going to use the coloring page bold sketchy option. This is the best feature that I found that converts the image to an outline, and as you can see, the website works wonders and it converted my image to a very cool dragon outline with great lines. So once you press on the HD preview, it will show you the image in HD format. However, it has a watermark on it, and I'm going to show you later how you can remove it. So either you can simply buy credits to remove the watermark or use the method that I'm going to show you later. But let's go to the second example. I'm going to use this image and convert it to an outline as well, and as you can see, the result is great. And every time you don't like the result, you can simply press on the resample button to get another result. And this time the second result is not great as the first. Again, you can simply press on the resample one more time to get another result. And the third result looks even more strange. So let's use another example. This is a Roman statue. It's created by Midjourney. So also I'm using the coloring page option to convert it to outline, and the result is great. However, it still has this watermark that you can remove if you buy credits, or you can simply take a screenshot of your image and open your Photoshop and paste your image on it. I'm going to convert it to smart object, and I'm going to use the lasso tool to select the area that I want to delete or to change and press on the generative fill, and this will remove, or this will give me a couple of options that I can choose from, but it will definitely remove this mark that I have on my screenshot that I have taken. As you can see, all the three options are great, and the watermark is being removed. So simply choose the best result, and you can also still fix any other problems with the image using the generative fill. The same method, just select your lasso tool and highlight on the part that you would like to remove, or just draw on it and press on the generative fill, and it will give you a couple of options that fixes the selected area. And also I'm going to remove this line here that I don't need, and also using the generative fill it is going to be removed. And don't forget that the image is in a low resolution. We can export the final image to PNG, save it on our desktop, and use any image upscaler to upscale our image before the final step. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use an upscaler called Image Upscaler or Upscaler, because it gives me 4 times the option to upscale the image for free. Select your image, press on the 4x and start processing button, and this will upscale your image to 4x completely for free. And once your image is ready, press on the download image and save it to your desktop. And now is the final step. We're going to use Adobe Illustrator to work on the image and convert it to vector line. Our image now is suitable for print on demand, so just paste it or just place it on your Adobe Illustrator board and use the image trace button to convert your photo to vector. So to do that, press on the Windows button at the top and press on the image trace, and you can expand the menu, and under the advanced settings, just choose the ignore color option to remove the white color from the image, and this will remove any white color from your image. And after you're done, simply press on the expand button, and this will convert your image to an outline. And let's do another example here using the dragon image that I have created, or that I have showed you in the top at the beginning of the video. So let's do the same with the dragon image that I have showed you at the beginning of the video. Simply open your Adobe Illustrator and place your dragon image on it, and this time I did not remove the portrait art label using Adobe Photoshop, because I'm going to show you another way to remove it. And again, I'm using the image trace button to convert the image to vector. You can also play with the threshold bar to increase the details of the image, like so, and then press on the expand button. This will convert the image to vector art. And as you can see, if we move the image to the left side, you can see that it still has some white colors. So press on the expand button and simply ungroup the image. You can then remove the white background, and using the magic wand tool, you can press on any white on the image and press the delete button to remove it. Now we're left only with the black color. We can then use the eraser tool to delete the unnecessary part of the image that you don't want. So just simply select any part that you don't want and press on the delete button, or use the eraser tool to erase any unnecessary part out of the image, like so. And then make sure to group all the elements of your image, and now we have a vector line art drawing that is ready to be worked on. So I started to add some fonts to my image to create the design that is in my head. My text says I've got a dragon in the house, so I started working on my text, and the final design is going to be a one color design. Of course, you are free to change the color or to add fill colors to the design, but this method is to show you how you can get an outline art out of any AI image just with a click or very few seconds, without the need to draw or to create a detailed drawing to get the line art out of the image. And this is the final design that I have created using Adobe Illustrator and using the outline that I have generated from the portrait art website. And eventually I converted the design to a wide design so that I can use it on a black t-shirt as well. So that was a quick tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for future tutorial. Thanks for watching.